Welcome to Nextcloud Office at FMPHost, your private cloud office and groupware solution. During this quick getting started video, we'll set up Nextcloud Office for a fictional architectural firm named Higher Rises. Let's start by logging in as the admin of this Nextcloud Office. For added security, avoid using the admin account for anything but administrative purposes, like configuring apps, settings, and users. Now let's create some groups for our users. We'll add sales and accounting. With our groups in place, we'll create some users, including one for myself. In this scenario, I am Jeremy Lake, the managing partner, and I belong to both groups. We will also create Jim and Lisa, who both belong to sales, and we'll finish off with Samantha and Kevin in accounting. Our groups have different documents they want to share with each other, so we can set up group folders to store them. We'll allow members of accounting to only view the sales group folder, but sales will have no privileges over accounting's documents. The sales team also wants easy access to change out the PDF catalogs on our website, so we can set up an external storage folder based on FTP. Now, we'll log out as the admin and log back in as ourselves, Jeremy Lake. I'll edit my profile to include a photo and contact information my team can see. The different Nextcloud apps we have access to are available across the top. Let's start with files. In our file list, we can see some sample documents Nextcloud has added, plus the group folders and the external website folder we added. I'm going to delete out the introductory files and then install the Nextcloud desktop app to keep the files on my computer in sync with Nextcloud Office. After logging into the desktop app with my credentials, the initial sync takes place and my files and folders are replicated on my computer, including the group folders and the external storage folder. It even downloaded the PDFs that were already stored on the website, and I can now easily change the website by simply replacing the file on my computer. Nextcloud will send it up to the website using FTP in the background. Time to add a new calendar to track my own sales appointments. I want my team to see my availability but not make changes. I also want to bring my calendar into the calendar app on my Mac. To do that, I'm going to get the CalDev URL of my calendar, and then on my Mac I'll go to System Settings, Internet Accounts, Add Account, Add Other, CalDev Account. Switch the account type to Manual, enter my credentials and paste in the CalDev URL. That's it. All my Nextcloud Office calendars are available to me here as well. I can also add events on my desktop or mobile device, and they are reflected back in the web interface and shared to the calendars of my sales group members. Now let's sync our contacts across our devices. It's just like calendars, but this time we are using CarDev. For Outlook users, there is a free synchronization app available linked from the FMPHost control panel page. Contacts I create in Address Book or Outlook are automatically synced up with Nextcloud Office. I'm working on a sales project with Lisa that needs input from Samantha, and to keep all of us on the same page, I'm going to create a circle, which is like a group that users can define for themselves to share files, contacts, calendars, and communications. For example, let's create a new Nextcloud talk room for our circle and start a video conference with our team. With Nextcloud Talk, all communication is secure and supports chat, audio, and voice calls with deep integration into all the parts of Nextcloud Office. And if you are on the go, Nextcloud Talk on your mobile device ensures you never miss the meeting. Looks like Jim is already editing our documents. Nextcloud Office lets me view and make changes alongside Jim in real time. I also have version history, so I can roll back any unwanted edits. The last thing we'll set up in this video is making Nextcloud our remote backup storage for our FileMaker databases. We'll go to our FileMaker database hosting page and click the Remote Backup button underneath our database file. We'll choose Nextcloud Office and our server will automatically be filled in. After entering my Nextcloud credentials, I'll hit Save. The next time a backup is made, it'll be automatically sent to our Nextcloud Office, and because I have file syncing in place, it automatically appeared on my computer as well. This was a quick introduction into just a handful of the many features available in Nextcloud Office, and the functionality continues to grow through easily installable Nextcloud apps and automatic updates by FMPHost. Nextcloud Office delivers an affordable, private, secure, and easy-to-use collaboration platform for your entire team so you can stay ahead. Thanks for watching.